Hi guys, it is quarter two. Quarter two, we are moving over to the cooking room. So I'm in the cooking room and you guys are going to switch from the online sewing side of things to the online cooking side, and so that's really fun. So I wanted to kind of give you a quick heads up on what it is that you should be expecting. The first thing that I want you to know is that in Schoology, I'm going to go ahead and be dropping in classroom assignments. So those are things that we're going to be learning about safety, how to go ahead and make sure that we don't get a foodborne pathogen or food poisoning as we normally hear it. How do we deal with nutrition and what is good foods for us, and different kinds of how do we measure, how do we do these basic things. Okay, so we're going to be learning about all of those things this year. And because you guys are at home when we are learning about them, I have them set up to learn those types of things more computer based. So last quarter we didn't do a whole lot that was computer based, but this quarter we are. So we're going to be, you guys are going to be writing out projects and doing web quests and those types of fun things. Okay, so you're going to be doing that, but then you're also going to be expected to cook. Because we're in FACS, we are in a cooking class, and so you're going to be expected to cook one thing each week. Okay, so the way that this works is you could be cooking with your family whatever the dinner is. Okay, I'm going to give you a recipe and say, hey, if you were in FACS, we would be doing this. And most of those recipes honestly are from last year. They're not this year's recipes because the kids this year are having to cook individual stuff. But the stuff that we have been doing, like monkey bread and some of this other fun stuff that we have done in the past, I will go ahead and give you those recipes. Okay, so you can go ahead and use those recipes, absolutely. Your family can go to the store and purchase those items, and that would be totally fine. But you don't have to. So if your family decides tonight we're making spaghetti, then go and make spaghetti, take some pictures of it, fill out the cooking lab form that I'm getting ready to show you, and take some pictures or a video and post that, and you're done. Or if your family is going to make hamburgers and you're going to go ahead and put all different kinds of stuff in there, or meatloaf, then do that. If they're going to make a frozen pizza, that's not your night. If you are thinking I'm going to go ahead and pop some popcorn in the microwave, nope, that's not enough. So it can't be stuff that is microwaved. I'm not looking for you to like make a single macaroni and cheese thing in the microwave. I hope that you can already do that. I am looking for you to boil water, to make things from scratch, make cookies from scratch. I'm not looking for you to take a prepackaged cookie dough thing, divide it up and bake it in the oven. I'm wanting more than that, okay? So I'm wanting you to combine ingredients. I'm wanting you to do some of the real cooking types of things that we are looking for. So I don't want prepackaged, okay? I don't want microwave. I want you to be using the stovetop, using the oven. If your family wants you to do that while they're at home, please do that while they're at home. Okay, some of you, your families are going to be more lenient in that. Some of you are going to say, your parents are going to say, hey, this needs to happen while I'm there. So whatever your household rules are, follow those. And then go ahead and you're going to fill out your cooking lab form. So let me see if I can swap you. Nope. It does not look like I can go ahead and switch you out. So on your cooking lab form, you are going to tell me the recipe that you used. Just copy it and paste it. So just take a picture of it with your phone or upload it from the computer. Okay. You're going to tell me how well it turned out, whether or not your family liked it, whether you liked it. Would you make it again? Why or why not? And then include your pictures and your video that you have taken. Okay, that's all I'm asking for. So one cooking lab every week from home, and then whatever other assignments that I'm giving you. I'm not giving you anything at all today or tomorrow. Today is Monday. On Wednesday, I will go ahead and start assigning you your work, and you will have from Wednesday to next Tuesday to do your cooking lab and to do your other work that I have assigned. Okay, so that will be every single week. Okay, if you have questions or anything, you're going to let me know. I want you to know that your assignments that are online are also going to be worth more points than they were this last quarter, so make sure you're doing a really good job on them. The really super easy ones are going to be homework points, and the ones that you're going to spend a few days on are going to be assessment grades. Okay, so I'm just giving you a quick heads up on that. Make sure you email me if you get stuck or if you're confused. Or if your family members are concerned, your parents or guardians are concerned about what it is that you are making or allowed to make, go ahead and just shoot me a quick email and I will answer, okay? I will talk to you soon. Bye.